Hey, DIY installing a modern shower valve isn't just about connecting a few pipes behind the wall. It's about precision, safety, and making sure the system performs reliably for years to come. A properly installed valve ensures consistent water temperature, balance pressure, and a smooth shower experience every single day. Done wrong, it can lead to leaks, poor performance, or even costly repairs down the road. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire installation process step by step, broken down into 5 clear stages, so everything works smoothly from day one. Step 1. Prep and planning. Before touching any plumbing, preparation is critical. Start by shutting off the home's main water supply. Once the water is off, drain the system by opening a faucet at the lowest point in the house. This relieves pressure and prevents surprise water spills during installation. Next, take a moment to understand the full scope of this project. This is considered an advanced installation, especially if you're working inside a finished wall or remodeling an existing shower. Now, gather all required tools and materials: screwdrivers, adjustable wrenches, PX cutters, PX crimp tool and crimp rings, thread seal tape, safety glasses. If this is a remodel, you'll also need access to the backside of the valve. If no access panel exists, you may need to create one to safely connect and test your plumbing. Good prep saves time and prevents mistakes later. Step 2. Valve setup and positioning. With the wall open, it's time to position the valve. Use the plaster ground as a template to mark the wall opening. This ensures the valve sits flush once the finished wall surface is installed. Now confirm your wall thickness. Thick wall, over 1/4 inch. Thin wall, under 1/4 inch. This matters for proper trim fitment later. Position the valve with the up marking facing upward and center it approximately 45 to 48 inches from the shower floor, depending on local code and user preference. If this system supports 3 shower outlets, remove the limiter clip and cartridge at this stage to allow for proper plumbing configuration. Once adjustments are complete, you'll reinstall them later. If you're installing only 2 outlets, leave the cartridge and limiter in place. Correct orientation here prevents major headaches later. Double check before moving on. Step 3. Plumbing connections. Now we move into the plumbing phase. Measure and cut your 1/2 inch PX tubing for both hot and cold supply lines. Slide the crimp rings onto the tubing before making any connections. Connect the hot and cold lines to the valve inlets, making sure each connection is fully seated. Use the crimp tool to secure the rings tightly and evenly. Next, connect the shower outlets. Outlet 1, primary shower head. Outlet 2, secondary device, handheld or body spray. Outlet 3, cap securely if unused. Once everything is connected, secure the valve body to solid wall cross members. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential. A loose valve can shift, cause trim misalignment, or stress the plumbing over time. Solid mounting equals long-term reliability. Step 4. Flush and pressure test. Before installing the cartridge, flushing the system is critical. Turn the main water supply back on and use the pre-installed flush plug to flush the valve for about 15 seconds. This clears debris, solder residue, or dirt that could damage the cartridge. Inspect every connection carefully for leaks. If you see any moisture, shut the water off and correct it immediately. Once confirmed leak-free, shut the water off again. Remove the flush plug and install the pressure balancing assembly and cartridge. Tighten by hand first, then snug gently with a wrench. Do not over-tighten. Step 5. Finish and final adjustments. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Set the temperature limit stop to ensure the water temperature does not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Protecting against scalding, especially important for households with children. Install the decorative sleeve, mounting plate, escutcheon, and handles, following the manufacturer's alignment marks. Tighten all set screws securely. Restore the water supply and perform a final test. Check temperature balance. Verify smooth handle operation. Confirm there are no leaks. And that's it. Your modern shower valve installation is complete. Take your time, double check every connection, and you'll enjoy reliable performance, consistent temperature, and smooth operation for years to come. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more step-by-step plumbing and installation tips. And as always, keep building smarter. Thanks for watching.